Hey, this is Aiden with Workman Firearms. Today I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble and reassemble the Springfield Hellcat. First thing you want to do when you come up to any firearm is make sure that it's clear. Remove that source of ammunition. Lock the slide to the rear. From here, you're going to physically and visually inspect the chamber. Inspect the magazine well. One last time, physically and visually inspect that chamber. Alright, your firearm is clear. From here, with the slide locked to the rear, you're going to rotate your takedown lever up until the 12 o'clock position. Just like so. Now from here, you're going to press down on your slide stop, simultaneously riding the slide forward. At this time, you're going to press in your trigger. Your slide will slide right off. Your firearm will break down into two separate components. Put your frame down. Now we're going to work on your recoil spring assembly. From here, you're going to apply slight pressure downwards, pull up towards you. Recoil spring will come out. Push your barrel forward and then pull it back towards you. Your barrel will come out. Now your firearm has been completely field stripped and disassembled. To reassemble, we're going to do it in the reverse order. Pick up your slide. Grab your barrel. Insert your barrel and slide it to the rear. Make sure it locks in. Grab your recoil spring. Now from this position, you're going to use your thumb. Apply slight pressure forwards and down. It's going to lock into the barrel lug. Make sure to check alignment. Now you're going to pick up your frame. Align your slide up with your guide rails. Slowly slide it onto your frame. From this position, you're going to rack the slide to the rear while pressing up on your slide stop. Lock it to the rear position. And now you're going to depress your takedown lever. From here, send your slide forward. Now we're going to perform a functions check. Rack your slide once. Press in your trigger, hold it to the rear. Rack your slide a second time. Slowly release your trigger. Listen for the reset. Your firearm has just been disassembled and fully reassembled and passed the functions check. Thank you.